Little Patty found up on the upper hall. She sees a bartender in a pool of blood. Cries out, my God, they've killed them all. Here comes the story of the hurricane. Many authorities came to blame for something they never done. Put in a prison cell, but one time they could have been the champion of the world. Three bodies lying there, does Patty see? Another man named Bello moving around mysteriously. I didn't do what he says, and he throws up his hands. I was only robbing the register, I hope you understand. I saw him leaving, he said, then he stops. One body might have to call up the cops. Then the Patty calls the cops, and they arrive on the scene with their red lights flashing in the hot New Jersey night. Meanwhile, far away in another part of town, Ruben and Connor and a couple of friends are driving around. Number one contender for the middleweight crown. Had no idea what kind of shit was about to go down. Well, the cop pulled him over to the side of the road. Just like the time before and time before that. In Patterson, that's just the way things go. It left like you might as well not show up on the street unless you want to draw the heat. Had to rap for the cops. Him and Arthur Dexter Bradley were just there prowling around. Instead I saw two men run out, they looked like middleweights. They jumped into a white car without a state plates. And Miss Patty Valentine just nodded her head. Then the cop said, wait a minute, boys, this one's not dead. And so they took him to the infirmary. South America, fighting for his name. Well, Arthur Dexter Bradley is still in the robbery game. The cops are looking for the schools, they're looking for somebody to blame. Remember that murder that you happened in the bar? Remember you said you saw the getaway car? Think you like to play ball with the law? Think about when that father that you saw running that night? Don't forget that you are white. Arthur Dexter Bradley said, I'm really not sure. Cop said a poor boy like you could use a break. We got you for the motel job and we're talking to your old friend Bello. You don't want to have to go back to jail now, be a nice fellow. You'll be doing society a favor. That son of a bitch is brave and getting braver. Think you like to play ball with the law? We won't put his ass in the stir.